tonight's redraw review, we're going to draw Kevin 11. Kevin 11 started out as a Osmosian that started out on Earth, and later he found out about Ben's Omnitrix and accidentally absorbed it, allowing him to gain a few transformations such as Heat Blast and Forearms. Eventually he transformed into all the aliens, until eventually his body began to malfunction. He was unable to transform back. He ended up turning into Kevin 11. And he had the Omnitrix's powers. Alright, anyways, you saw me draw the upper half, starting with ripped jaws, gray matter, forearms, his eyes, Kevin 11's hair. Now here's his chest. Now we draw Heat Blast Fist. We're going to draw like 9 out of the 10 aliens that he has. It's a good thing that Ghost Freak isn't one of them on this transformation. Alexa, play Ben 10 Omniverse.
Ben 10 Omniverse by Neil Stenson on Amazon.
Now here's upgrades back. There's Diamond Head. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Now here's Wild Mutt's Fists. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There's another one of Wild Mutt's Fists. Alexa, who is Kevin 11?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, Kevin James is an American actor, comedian, screenwriter, singer, and producer. He is best known for his role as Doug Heffernan on the CBS sitcom The King of Queens. Did that answer your question?
Yep.
Thanks for your feedback.
Now we have forearms, legs. Now for accelerates tail. So I don't forget. One last thing. Stinkfly's wings. I'm just redrawing everything that I worked on this summer. The reason for the loss of my SD card and my rage. Alexa, stop. Alexa, resume playing. I'll tell you after this. Blame Blue's Clues for that. And done.